Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mink coin. Now the Mink coin just recently got put into the launchpad list on pinksale.finance. Pre-sale is going to start in a couple days here. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. Public pre-sale, they have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you go to their Pinksale pre-sale page, you can find it by searching Mink in the launchpad list, and Mink coin will pop up. Their upcoming pre-sale starts in about a little bit under 3 days or so, between 2 and 3 days. And it says here they have a Twitter at MinkSpace_COM. They have a Telegram at Mink_community, which has 5,884 members. 630 of them are online. You can find a full link tree on that Telegram as well. But that Telegram is a great place to talk to other community members about the project, see what they have to say, ask questions, things like that, and see updates. And then also their Twitter is going to be great for updates as well, MinkSpace_COM. So if you follow both of those, you're going to see all sorts of updates regarding the project. And there's a ton of other socials on their Pinksale page here. They have a Discord, Reddit, Instagram, GitHub, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, webpage, and their full audit is linked on here. They were audited by CoinSalt, and you can review the full PDF of that audit on Pinksale. And yeah, so their pre-sales max buy is 10 SOL. So they made it, 10 SOL. So, people don't buy an insane amount of tokens, and then, they're a whale, and then they can create a pump and dump by selling off all their tokens. So that's good there. And then they have 324 Twitter posts so far. It says Mink Space is an NFT staking platform with the Mink coin as the utility token. Get free Mink coin airdrop, and then it has a link to their Telegram news channel, and that you can see that right on the Twitter right here. And then there's their full link tree there as well. They just joined in March 2024, 8,493 followers so far. And then they're talking about here introducing Mink coin rewards, and this is in their pinned tweet. It says total prize pool 1 trillion Mink coin airdrops. Don't miss this opportunity to earn Mink coin with mini app designed to facilitate our community. Play and get interesting experience now. And yeah, so you can check that out there. And then there's going to be staking. So attention to our community. To secure staking rewards, please be able to claim your rewards before June 20th. So they have info all about that on their Twitter. So definitely check out the Twitter. Now on Pinksale, it says join the fair launch, get a free exclusive NFT. Mink coin is a meme coin as a utility token for Mink Space NFT platform. By adopting a fresh theme, Mink coin brings new energy into the meme coin ecosystem, as well as making Mink coin a pioneer in driving evolution for the meme coin ecosystem. No private sale, no team tokens, central exchange listings, contract secured, all authorities revoked, audited by CoinSalt, LP burnt, It says contribute more than 1 SOL to get an exclusive NFT whitelist free minting. And there's 6 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 9,999,849,999,996 tokens. Kind of a crazy number there. And soft cap for this pre-sale is going to be 10 SOL. And there is no hard cap. So basically the pre-sale is just going to go until time runs out. And, sky's the limit on how much tokens they could sell. Pre-sale starts exactly June 20th, 12 hours UTC time, and it goes for 1 full week until June 27th, 12 hours UTC time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, first of all, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Raydium for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet or your Trust wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for the Mink coin using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, minkspace.com. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that in a second here. And most likely this token will go over to Jupiter as well, which is another DEX on Solana, and possibly some central exchange listings. But if you follow the socials, you'll be able to see exactly when all those listings occur. So they have the space cards on their webpage. It says 7,777 exclusive NFTs. There's a Mint Now button. You can click on that and check that out. It says this is an exclusive NFT art collection consisting of unique characters in the form of PFP arts, limited supply, designed to be collectible and iconic for the community. Holders of these exclusive NFTs will receive various special functions and benefits and are a top priority in the project. So it says join our community, get whitelisted, mint NFTs, stake your NFT, and get rewards. Their partners are Pinksale, DexView, CoinSalt. So basically how the tokens are split up here, we got 40% of the tokens going to the staking pool, 10% going to liquidity, 5% airdrop, 5% central exchange listings, 10% marketing and partners, 30% token sale. And so yeah, then they have a very lengthy roadmap for when they're coming out with their NFTs, central exchange listings, airdrops, all that type of stuff. Check out the roadmap. Check it out, minkspace.com. They have a light paper over there you could review. You could also search this token in the Launchpad list on Pinksale or check out their socials there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.